Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily pin your Safari application on your iPhone. So it might be very demanding to find your application all over and over again in this list over here, especially if you have some more applications than one. And at first you have to find the Safari icon. You have to hold the finger on it, and here you can move it straight here. Now, as you can see, we do have our Safari here, and that's how to pin the Safari. You might not have the icon of your Safari if you have clicked here. At first we have to, of course, remove it from our from here. Here, if you have tapped remove from home screen, you'll have to find your application in this list here in the app library. Search here the Safari. Now hold the Safari, and here you can bring it to the main screen again. And that's how it works. Goodbye.